Hello! In today's video, I'm gonna show you how we managed to bring $44,900 in revenue for one of our clients using SMS marketing. This client hired us to manage his Facebook ads campaigns, but after working with us for a while, we saw that he wasn't utilizing SMS marketing, nor he was using his SMS subscribers, so people who left their phone numbers at the checkout or subscribed to his email list, and he was leaving money on the table. Since we wanted to generate more money for this client, we asked him if he would like to test out our new Vendas SMS service. Well, of course, he agreed to it, and after he set up everything and started seeing first results, the return on investment was through the roof. Now, before I show you exactly how we've done it, I must explain that this client is selling skid steer attachments that cost from $1,000 to $600+ per attachment. And these are specific high ticket items, and that is why the ROI is huge here on this dashboard that you can see right here. But the profit margin is around 15%. So a lot of money has been made still while spending peanuts or cents, however you want to call it. In this box, total spent was around $17.93 and total revenue was $44,900. Now, let me show you how a simple SMS automation we created generated this revenue. So if we go to flows and automations, then we go to automations, you can see a standard abandoned cart reminder automation. We also set up for our clients new order confirmation, shipping confirmation, upsells, cross sales, customer welcome message, customer win back. But for this client, we only want to set up abandoned cart as he asked us to do this. Now, the first abandoned cart reminder is sent on 5 minutes delay. We usually use 5 to 10 minutes delay. And as you can see, this one generated the most revenue. Now, after somebody buys a product on this abandoned cart reminder, then the other cart reminders will not be sent, so the other SMS will not be sent. Then we have another reminder on a 1 day delay and the third one on a 2 day delay. So we saw the best results with this kind of setup. Usually with SMS, you need to send these SMSs as fast as you can. So it's not like email where you can put them on 5, 7, or even more day delays. You need to send them as fast as you can for the most optimal results. Now, for the first one, 5 to 10 minutes delay is the best. Now, let me show you how it looks like. So, the first SMS abandoned cart reminder looks like this. The delay message is by 5 minutes. It's abandoned checkout reminder. Then the message looks like this. In here, you can see there is a dynamic insertion code for first name and abandoned checkout URL, and it looks like this on preview. So when you send an SMS, it looks like this. There is, of course, stop to opt out option. You always need to have this. This is like the most important part. So nobody can sue you, or you won't get in trouble if you have this, and you won't look spammy. You need to give your customers an option to opt out. The number of unsubscribers is not that high, so don't worry if you lose a lot of subscribers or not. You will not. It's like 1 to maybe 3%, which is a great number. Now, as you can see, there are no discounts in here. So when we start working with new brands, we never use discounts at the beginning. We always test out SMS marketing, our automations, campaigns, whatever we can without discounts. Now with the blast campaigns, of course, it is a different story, but still, if there are offers where there are no discounts, we try to use them first and then discounts later. With automations, we try not to use discounts so we can generate more revenue and, of course, use less discounts. So more revenue, more profit. If the campaign is not going really well, then we start using discounts, but we use them. For example, first SMS is 0%, second SMS is 5%, third SMS is 10%. And then later on 10, 15, 20%, and so on and so on, depending on what the client needs and what the client what kind of discount the client gives us. Now, the abandoned checkout URL usually sends clients and subscribers to their website and to their abandoned cart, and everything is on the cart, so they can just click on go to checkout and buy the products. Now in here you can see the number of characters, so message length, and the number of SMSs. This is like a really important part, and we usually try to stick to 1 to 3 SMSs per automation. Usually it's around 2 for the like optimal message, because SMS marketing works in a way where it sends, of course, SMSs, but it costs you per SMS. So if you have SMSs count 2, it will cost you 2 times the one SMS cost. So that's why we try to lower the number to 1, 2, 3, because we do not want to waste the budget for SMS marketing. One SMS is usually like one line, which it kind of works for other automations, but for abandoned cart we saw that 2 to 3 is the best. Now let me go back and show you other automations, how they look like. Sorry, about other abandoned cart reminders. Now in here you can see there is a site name as well, no discounts, and there was a sale here, and then 2-day delay. It didn't provide any revenue, but the first one provided $44,000, so we don't really mind if the third one didn't provide any revenue. You can see 2 days delay, again site name, abandoned checkout. In here you can see the count SMS3 because we've included a review from our client's customer, like a happy review, and that's it. And this is how a simple SMS automation brought our client $44,900 in revenue. ROI was 250,000%, so 250x ROI on a total spend of $17.93. Now, if you have a brand that wants something similar like this, or results similar to this one, and if you need help with SMS marketing, feel free to schedule a call with me on the link in the description or by clicking the button Book Now. And of course, if you like the video, it will mean a lot to me if you would click on that subscribe button, and if you would like, comment and share on this video. Tell me your experiences with SMS marketing, and of course ask questions and I'll be delighted to answer them. So if you need any help, just let me know. Thank you very much, and bye bye.